Mahindra Pride classes under Nandi Foundation organized an 1-week training program on employability skill for the student of Sai Valley World Institute of Management and Technology. More than 50 students participated in the said training session. Mr. Anshuman Mishra was the trainer for the entire session. A colorful closing function was also organized on 11th of November 2022, where the director and principal of the institution participated. Certificate and prizes were distributed to all successful trainees. Students expressed their satisfaction over their training and said it will go a long way in their career development.
Good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Principal Sir, and all the faculty members of BBA and BCA, and all the students of BBA and BCA. Today, myself, Matthew Singh. Vehicles are the vehicles which transport passengers are called passenger vehicles. Goods vehicles, the goods vehicles which transport goods and materials are known as good vehicles. That's all from my side. I would like to forward this automobile topic to continue by Meghnad.
In the propulsion systems, such as specific functions, such as fuel system, transmission systems, steering systems, braking systems, cooling systems, and etc. Now, our second point is to invent the automobiles. This question does not have a straight answer. In 1985, German mechanical engineer Carl Benz created and designed the first practical automobiles in Germany. Now, our third point is, what is the need of the automobiles in our day? Automobile is an important part of the life in the today's world. It is a basic need of every household.
Before going to conclusion, I would like to tell you there is a scope in automobile. As we look into the scope of automobile, there is a vast scope in automobiles for BBA. BBA is playing a significant role in automobile. TCS is giving the jobs for BBA in automobile. If we look into it, we get to see there is a less chance for BCA getting jobs in automobile industries. Before I would conclude, I would like to also say that price is what we pay and money is what we buy.
Institute of Management and Technology, Mr. Sumit Pattasar, for sharing his views regarding this.
Principal of Sai Valley World School, Madam Mamta Naik, Vice Principal, Mr. Bhagwan Pari, Anshuman Mishra from Mahindra Pride, the trainer, the adjunct faculty for this program, faculties of our institute, and my dear students. Today is the closing day of the 7-day long training program that we organized for all of you. And as you know, the topic was employability skill. It was a training program on employability skill. You know, in today's time, the business has become very competitive. If you want a good job, if you want to have a place in the society, in the employment market, you need to develop a skill. Now, I will tell you a small story from my own experience. When I was working in a factory, there was a machine called press machine. That was the heart of the factory, press machine. In those days, it was costing around 50 crores, very costly machine. And the company imported the machine from Japan. No, it was a first time in India. The technology came, a press machine came from Japan, and we trained a group of engineers to run the press machine. So they were running the factory was doing very well. Unfortunately, all of a sudden, one day, the press machine broke down. There was a breakdown. Press machine chalna band kar diya. Okay. So our engineers, they are very qualified persons, qualified people. They had all degrees, BTech, MTech, experience. They all tried. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days they tried. You know, if the plant closes for 1 day, the company used to incur a loss, a very huge loss in crores. Okay, if a plant closed for 1 day, the company lose 1 crore rupee. So for last 7 days, the factory was closed down because of this press machine. And finally our engineers surrendered. Sir, we are sorry, we cannot repair this. And unfortunately, they could not know what is the defect. Whether it was a mechanical defect or a electrical defect or what was the defect, they could not know. No, not that they are fools. They are very experienced people, very qualified people. Then our company requested the managing director of Kirloskar. You know, Kirloskar is a leading company in India who manufacture press machine. So we requested them, sir, send some of your engineers.
School, Mrs. Magdalene, to give her views on this administration, fashion technology, and we really felt surprised and happy to see that our children can get an opportunity. As per the new NEP, even you all also come into that category of NEP because you are into a graduation level. According to this, your skill is more important. But with the skill, you should have your knowledge. Skill means it's the practical knowledge. In raw language, if we say, it's your practical knowledge that comes through training and practices. He has given a training of 7 days. I think almost all of you were there, and especially the girls I have seen there. About boys I have not seen them out, but girls were there, and the smartness that they were showing there was really appreciable. Thanks Ansuman sir, and especially Panda sir for giving this opportunity to all of you. Please utilize all that you can take from like you have got very talented faculty members. Take as much as you can for your betterment. They will give you, but the things that you will take will only help you.
The best belief, you believe one day you will be in America, you will be there, you see in British, in England, our Indian people are there, Prime Minister there. You will be the head of the cooperative department of that other country also. Today you are here, but the thing is that you have to believe that self-belief is the best belief, and if there is a will, there is a way. If there is a will, there is a way. And always there is a reward for hard work. Always there is a reward for hard work. Students, once again I like to thank you, and I am very happy that the way you represent that reflect the depth of your measuring, how you have understood the department you have joined. This is the most important, and that is we can say job-oriented department. So you have to develop the skill that 3 points I have told: self-belief and hard work. Okay, that all things you have to believe, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. And at the same time, you clap for Panda sir once again for me. Thank you. Have a bright future. Thank you all.
Training program, another I will say this is the beginning of the training program, where you will train yourself. It is humanly not possible to train human beings in 7 days. Okay, so we have spent rather 8 days, 5 hours a day. But in these 8 days, I cannot train you. You all are grown-up people. You have your own thought processes. You have your own thinking. So what best I was expected to do was to give you food for thought. सोचने के लिए विषय वस्तु देना मेरा काम है। क्योंकि मेरी सोच, आपकी सोच, अलग अलग लोगों की सोच अलग अलग तरीके की होगी, लेकिन सोच किस प्रकार का हो, what kind of thought process we need to have, that is what I have tried to inculcate in you. I was not your teacher, I was not a judge or something of that sort, right? And second thing is that, as I always say, that if you will keep doing the things that you have been doing,
आपके नंदी फाउंडेशन महिंद्रा प्राइवेट क्लासेस all the faculties of management and my dear young friends, this gives me immense pleasure to witness the presentation made by both the girls and boys in all this achievement. In the beginning, you know, Pandasar told about the skill development, which is very important if you want to do something in your future. Unless you have skill, you cannot do anything in the future. So for taking that into consideration, we have started many programs, and in a regular basis, I used to have interaction with Dr. Patel, the principal, to have more function like this, activities like this, so that you can improve further. Today, I found that most of the students have not participated. I think lack of time or something. But the presentation given by you were excellent, excellent. Keep it up. And the other students who are not here for the presentation also, I request them to come forward and do whatever your faculties are teaching you. My special thanks to Anshuman Misra. I know Mr. Misra. We had some interaction, I think during 17-18. He was also teaching some of our non-teaching staff. He was very good in English. He was giving some teaching in English. And we had a very good coordination with him. And I request Mr. Misra also, please conduct similar program so that the skill of our students will be developed. Thank you very much for the nice gathering, and my special thanks to Dr. Patna and his team for conducting such type of workshop. I also request him to conduct more number of workshops to improve the skill of the students. On behalf of the management, again I thank you all for this nice program. Thank you.
Thank you. Leadership within our students. His valuable remarks, his valuable teaching methodology, various methods of practical training methods has really encouraged our students. This was basically for the girl students, but they have also given chance to the boys to participate, because there is no discrimination between the girls and boys. They are equally treated, and this is a platform where you prove that. Thank you, sir, for your dedication. That all our dignitaries in the dais, they have said, and especially our principal sir, Dr. Subendra Panda, has highlighted that there is a gap between the education and the industry requirement. So this has to be filled up by this sort of training programs, employability skill development training programs. Skill development is very, very important. So it has to be developed for our bright future. So this gap has to be filled up. There shouldn't be any gap between education and the skills required by the industries. So let us cheer up, not to end this, but let us have a new beginning. So I would like to end with a inspirational quote. Success is not final. Failure is not final. It is the courage to continue that counts. Thank you.
Anshuman and Himanshu, so no worries. Two things. Number one, all the boys got all the certificates, right? Girls must be thinking, where is our certificate? So all the girls will get their certificate in 30 working days time, because it will get printed in Hyderabad, it will come to Kolkata, and from Kolkata it will be couriered to your college, right? So your learned principals will hand it over to you, number one. So, second thing is that only 6 people got awards, and what about the rest? It's not that. Actually, Mahindra thought process is that we like to reward people. Some people did extremely well but did not get awards. So, stars are always stars. We try to promote people, those who are trying to come up, So, this effort is rewarded. But certificate is for everyone, and at the end of the day, you are going to staple the certificate with your resume, right? So before I leave this microphone for this day, एक बार हो जाए हमारा, निकाला था? Yes. So let's do it. This is our work, right? Thank you very much. Thank you.